In this video, we're going to create a frequency distribution. To do that, you always start with a table. The first column in the table will represent the various categories for whatever the variable is. In this case, it's eye color. And we need to determine how many different eye colors there are that will be the categories for our variable. We'll list those in the columns. The first color that I see is blue. So I'm going to write that as my first category. After that, I see a brown, green, and hazel. Now that I've identified that those are the only eye colors listed in the table, I need to count how many times each one occurs. It's easiest to do this if you cross them out as you go, or you can highlight them as you go. So first I'm going to count all the blues, and that is 5 altogether that I've highlighted. Then I'll do the browns. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next I'll do green. 1, 2. And hazel. It's our last one in the table. There's only one of them. So all together, I'll just double check the counts. I've got 5 plus 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, and altogether there were 18 original values for eye color in the table. So I've counted everything, and we usually call that our frequency column. This question asks for two other things, the percentage and cumulative percent. We usually add those as additional columns in our table. The percentage just means literally how much are each of these frequencies out of the total. Because we have 18 different people with various eye colors, the first one, the frequency of blue, would be 5 out of 18. I've pulled up my calculator to figure out what that percentage is. So it's about 27%. I'm going to leave it in decimal form, but you could write it in decimal or percent form because we know a percent just means divide by 100. So I will leave it, like I said, in decimal form and keep going. So that brown will be 10 out of 18 people have brown eyes. 10 out of 18 is about 56%. I'll keep 4 decimal places just to make sure I have enough precision for now. 2 out of 18 is the number of green. We know there's 18 people in all. That's 0.111 or about 11%. And finally, 1 out of 18. That is about 6%. 0.0556 to 4 decimal places again. That's all that's meant by a percent. For a cumulative percent, you basically take each of the percentages. You start with the original one, that blue is 27% approximately. Then you add the other percentages as you go. So for the next box, we'd say if we're including not just brown, a cumulative percent means you include blue and brown, both the first 2 categories. So we take the 27.78 and add on like 55.56%. When we add those decimals directly, that's about 83%. And then in the next box, you'd say, okay, what's the total percent of people that have blue or brown or green eyes? So we'd add together this, this, and this, the first 3 percentages. That gives you about 0.94. When I add 0.2778, 0.5556, and 0.1111, finally, you'd add on all of them together so that you say, if you were including all of the eye colors, what percent of people have either brown, blue, green, or hazel eyes? In this case, it comes out to just over 1.0001. It technically should be exactly 100%, but because I rounded, it didn't keep all of them exactly as fractions. That's where I'm getting the extra 1 at the end. But really, it should be 100% or add to 1 if you're using decimals. If you add to 1 or you're just a little bit off due to rounding like I got, then you know you haven't forgotten anyone in your counting. Because if you have more than 18 values, if you're getting into having lots of values like 50 or 100, it can be really easy to miss one value when you're counting. So getting 100 at the end is your signal that you haven't missed everybody. 100% of people either had blue, brown, green, or hazel eyes.